In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a course in Podia. We'll walk through setting up your product, adding lessons, and getting everything ready to sell or share step by step. Start inside your Podia dashboard. From the sidebar, click Products, then select the plus New Product button. When you're prompted to choose a product type, pick Online Course. Give your course a clear, searchable name that tells students exactly what they'll learn, and click Create Product to open the editor. Next, head to the Content tab to build your curriculum. Click plus New Lesson to add your first lesson. You can create sections to group related lessons into modules, which helps students navigate longer courses. Inside each lesson, choose the content type that fits your material. Upload files like video, audio, PDFs, or text for core teaching content. Use the Embed option to bring in external resources such as YouTube videos or Google Slides. Just make sure your external content is set to be viewable. Add a quiz to check understanding and reinforce key points right after a lesson. If your course includes personal help, you can use a coaching lesson to let students book time with you directly inside the course. Mix formats strategically, keep videos focused, and aim for a consistent structure from lesson to lesson. Then move to the Details tab to set the essentials. Here you can refine the course name, write a concise description that highlights outcomes and who the course is for, and upload a course image that looks good on your storefront. If you plan to bundle offerings, use included products to add other courses or digital products. Categories help organize your catalog and make discovery easier. You can also connect integrations, such as your email list, so new students are tagged or welcomed automatically. Open the Pricing tab to choose how people will pay. You can make the course free for lead generation or select a paid option. For paid courses, set a one-time price or offer a payment plan to lower the upfront cost. If you want to increase average order value, add optional upsells that appear after someone buys. In the Availability tab, decide when and how your course is accessible. Set status to draft. While you build, and switch to Published when you're ready. Choose Visibility. Public to list it on your site or hidden to share it only via a private link. Configure access options like a start date, an access duration for time-limited enrollment, or sign-up limits if you're capping seats. When everything looks good, click Publish in the top right. Your course goes live, and students can find it, enroll, and start learning right away.